Hi, I'm Owen of Van Trekking Lifestyle, and today we're going to be cooking up creamy balsamic mushroom chicken marsala in the cast iron skillet outside at a campsite. Let's get started. Well, it's called chicken marsala, so let's show the chicken some love by cutting them in half, pounding them out flat, and running them through a dry dredge. Next, we're going to heat up the cast iron skillet and put a little olive oil in there, and make sure you coat the pan completely. And when it's good and hot, it's time to add those chicken breasts in. Flip them once, let the other side get good and crispy, and then we're going to add in just a little, or maybe a lot, of real butter. And now we're just going to start flipping these breasts in this butter and let it suck up all that goodness. And when they're ready, take them off and set them aside. Put a little more olive oil in here and then drop the mushrooms in. You're going to need some pasta. Probably need to start that pretty soon. After the mushrooms are cooked a little, let's drop a little butter in there. Now add thyme leaves, chopped shallots, and a little garlic paste. And now season to taste. For us, it was salt and pepper and red pepper flakes. Stir that all up, and now it's time to add in the Marsala wine. Make sure you measure this. You do not want too much of it. And then we're going to set half of it aside to use later. Now add in some chicken broth and stir it up really good. Make sure everything gets incorporated really well. And then this is going to simmer for a while.
Yeah, I'll get to do one of my favorite things is sit back in my chair and wait for 5 minutes and 45 more seconds. The recipe for this one will be in the description of this video, just in case you want to try to replicate this yourself.
She wants to go in. There she goes.
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it.
She's scared of the camera pole. She wants something to water. She wants water. See my bag of trash up there? Oh,
She doesn't have any.
Oh, okay. Do you need water?
You need water?
Maggie, what do you want? No, you don't get the chicken. No, ma'am.
Okay, back to cooking. Now let's add in a little heavy whipping cream. And we're going to stir that up really good and let it come to a boil. And now we're going to gently add our chicken breast back into the skillet, making sure to flip each one of the breasts at least once or twice. And now layer on top a little Parmesan cheese. And remember those mushrooms we set aside? We're going to put those over each one of the breasts now before we take them out of the skillet. And there you have it. It's ready to take off and enjoy.
Looks good.
Creamy balsamic chicken marsala. Get us a bite, get some mushrooms, some chicken, a little bit of pasta on there. That's a good bite right there. Yum.
That's a big bite.
Oh my goodness.
Is it good?
Oh my. Oh, bon appetit. That's, that ain't no Olive Garden, but it's good. No, that is better than, that's an Italian meal that you can make in your RV. How did we do that? That's just awesome.
It took us a while.
It probably took us an hour and 30 minutes to do the entire meal.
Not our usual meal. We
No.
usually go for quick ones.
No, we got to rest though a lot while we were doing it. We put the bikes up. Everything has to simmer until it gets just right. This is just right. Let's eat. That's not the best thing you've ever put in your mouth that we made in the van.
Really?
My nickname when I was growing up wasn't Scooter.
I know what your nickname was.
These mushrooms are great.
Yum. It's good. I taste a little bit of the red pepper flakes, which gives it a little bit of kick.
Yeah.
Also taste the Marsala wine in there a little bit. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have cooked off where you don't taste it, but it tastes really good. Chicken's real good and tender. It's just all around just really good. Mushrooms are awesome. We use the baby Bella mushrooms.
Do you like the coating on the chicken?
Yeah.
We don't usually coat chicken when we cook it, but
It was good. I thought it was good to give it a little bit of something to brown up against and stuff. Holds the juices in. Do your happy dance.
I don't know how Italians dance, but
That's not it.
I'm
pretty sure that's not it.
I'm pretty sure that's isn't it. But I do have to tell you that we went all over Walmart looking for Marsala wine. Turns out it's in the cooking area. It's not really with the wine.